Welcome to our guide on how to add an employee card to a credit card account in Docyt. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docyt account. If logged in as a business employee, click the Accounting tab and select your business name. If you are a member of an accounting team and want to switch to accountant view, click on the avatar icon on the screen's top right side. Once you locate the business, click on its name to access and enter it. To access your banking accounts in Docyt, go to the Banking and Reconciliation menu and choose Banking Accounts. Then, select Accounts from the menu. To add an employee card to a specific banking account, click on the three dots next to that account and choose Add/View Employee Cards for the account you want to add the card to. Select Add Employee Card. Enter the name of the bank and the last four digits on the employee card. Important: the last four digits of the employee card must match what appears on the bank statement for the employee card. Click on the Account Owner drop-down menu and select the account owner that matches the last four digits of the employee card. Click Done. And there you have it. You have now learned how to add an employee card to a credit card account in Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.